Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit the sounds in the IM application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the settings section, click on the general button. And at the make it yours section, click on the sounds button. And as you can see, you can set the volume for the theme sound and the affirmations playing sound as well. So just drag this little white button back and forth to set the volume. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.